at 09er19er Zulu, wind 040 at 9er, wind variable between 360 and...
Hey, how you doing? This is Tom. This is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I installed the SDR console on this upgraded computer, which is running Windows 10. And as I mentioned in the previous show, this has an i5 processor, so it's fairly capable. And I've been trying software packages that I'd used on the other computer and the OBS screen capture software, and I think so far it's doing pretty good. I got a lot of CPU power left over. You can see down here it's only using 27% for SDR console, and I'm going to attempt to bring up the task manager. Whoops, I get the right keyboard. Control Alt Delete, and see what it says. And it says overall I'm using 56, 55, 58% of the CPU power and 63% of the memory, and everything seems to be working good. I'm going to do some more experimenting with this setup to see what other things I can run simultaneously. But I think this is working out. Let me close this down. What I'm listening to is 6.754 megahertz, which is the Trenton weather station. I believe it's in Canada, and it's, as you heard before, and I'll turn it back on, it's coming in loud and clear. It's 5:49 a.m. here in Clearwater, Florida.
Light rain, few clouds at 900, few clouds at 5,000.
That's a really strong signal. You can see though that the noise level is pretty high, but it's way above the noise level, so I'm able to receive it with no problem. So anyway, that's it. I'll continue to give you updates on my updating of my older, faster computer, and hope to be able to do things like hangouts on the air and things like that with the additional power that this computer has. That's it. Have a great day. Bye-bye.